Hello viewers, I am Mohit Marutra, legal intern in Lexis and Company, and would be discussing about can ancestral property be sold without consent of successors. The ability to sell ancestral property without the consent of successors depend on the laws of specific jurisdiction. In general, ancestral property refers to the property that is inherited through successive generations of a family. The laws governing ancestral property vary between countries and may also differ within the regions or state of a country. Here I'll summarize the same. In some jurisdiction, ancestral property may be subject to specific legal protections which restrict or prohibit its sale without the consent of all the legal heirs or successors. Other jurisdiction may allow for the sale of ancestral property with the consent of a majority of the legal heirs or successors, rather than requiring the consent of all the parties involved. In certain cases, if the property has been partitioned or divided among the successors, each individual may have the right to sell their share of the property, but they may not be able to sell the entire property without the consent of all the co-owners. It is also important to consider any applicable laws related to family or inheritance rights, as they may influence the ability to sell the ancestral property. These laws may prioritize the protection of family interests and the rights of legal heirs. Additionally, if there are specific agreements or conditions outlined in a will or other legal documents regarding the ancestral property, those provisions will also need to be considered. So, it is crucial to consult the specific laws and regulation of the jurisdiction. So, here viewers, I'll end up this video, and if anyone of you any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.